Okay, so now we will study our next chapter, neural control and coordination. So, what we will study in this chapter is the detail about the nervous system. So, there is the word neural control, that means the nervous system is controlling our body, and coordination means that it will send stimulus or some information to other organs to implement functions. So, what is coordination? Coordination is the process through which two or more organs interact and complement the functions of one another. For example, like when we do physical exercise, the energy demand is increased for maintaining an increased muscular activity. The supply of oxygen is also increased. Increased supply of oxygen necessitates an increase in the rate of respiration, heartbeat, and increased blood flow via blood vessels. So, what is coordination? Coordination is that the two or more organs like nervous system and muscular system during exercise and nervous system and respiratory system and nervous system and cerebrovascular system. So during physical exercise, muscular system, that the muscles are contracting vigorously, so they need oxygen for their activity. If oxygen will be not be present, then there will be lactic acid formation, and then later there will be, due to lactic acid, there will be severe contraction in the muscles, muscle cramps will be there. Next is respiratory system. What is the effect on respiratory system? That during physical exercise, the respiratory rate is increased. Why it is increased? Because the muscular system needs more oxygen. So to supply more oxygen, we have to increase the respiratory rate so that more oxygen goes into our lungs and more oxygen is provided to muscles or to our body. And why in CVS the heart rate will be increased so that the cardiac output will be increased. You know that cardiac output is stroke volume into heart rate. So when heart rate will be increased, then the blood flow will increase. The cardiac output is increased, blood flow is increased. The blood flow is increased, then the oxygen amount that will reach to the muscle will increase. Okay, so this is all about the coordination. And when the physical exercise is stopped, the activities of nerves, lungs, heart, and kidney gradually return to their normal conditions. So, in physical exercise, what is actually happening? That the function of muscles, lungs, heart, blood vessels, kidney, and other organs are coordinated while performing physical exercise. So, these organs are working in a coordination so that the physical exercise is done effectively. Okay. And in our body there are two systems, neural system and endocrine system. They jointly coordinate and integrate all the activities of the organ so that the function is in a